I was thinking about changing my wardrobe.
Yes! For you!
But then I decided I don't want to go changing who I am just because of some man.
Yeah.
Good for you.
You know, it is normal to want to change your look after a breakup.
Actually, I was thinking of making one small change.
Your sweater,
Your glasses,
your hair.
your shoes.
Piercing my ears.
You really never had that done?
My mom said pierced ears were for whores, pirates, and genies.
Okay, well, you're a grown woman now.
I know, but Sheldon had this clause in the relationship agreement forbidding cosmetic surgery unless it's to look like a Klingon.
We'll take you to the mall to get it done.
Why? I can do it right here.
Really? You have a piercing gun?
No, all you need is a needle and an ice cube. I've done it like a dozen times.
Oh, I don't know.
Oh, come on, I'll be gentle. Let me take your ear virginity.
This party's weird.